there is a tendency among those who first tried to deny that climate change was happening, that it was a consequence of human action, to now actually argue that the planet is changing in a very predictable way. There was a time cover story that said, and now the Baltic will become like the Mediterranean, where you can sit on the beaches all year long. This idea of a predictable climate shift, which will make some regions of the world very well off and other regions of the world a bit in turmoil, is a very false image. Climate chaos reflects the changes much better. Climate chaos tells us that the changes are unpredictable. When an extreme weather event will happen will not be known. That in May in Delhi we will get hailstorms, that is climate chaos. That the desert of Rajasthan will have rainfall so high that 15 feet of water will accumulate on the sands, that is climate chaos. Climate chaos reflects the unpredictability of the change, whereas climate change by itself makes us imagine that we could manage it. Climate chaos forces us to develop ways of dealing with uncertainty and unpredictability. It is true that the climate crisis has now arrived fully in the media. Unfortunately, the real connections that need to be made between the culture of consumption and economy on an overdrive of consumption and the climate chaos that results from more and more goods being transmitted across the planet, emitting more carbon dioxide, more pollution in the atmosphere as a result of excessive consumption, that connection is not being fully made. The cultural revolution to respond to climate change is waiting to happen. The science of climate change has been completed. The cultural revolution has not even started.